It's been a little bit. I'll give you an update. The tabletop for this one is done. You can see the high gloss sealer on it. And all of the seats have been poured and formed. And they're out of the mold. There's the mold. But they're still curing. I used a heating blanket or a heating pad and some towels and plastic so that I could, with just one mold, I could only do one a day. So I left them, once they were poured, left them in the form for 24 hours with the heating pad and some towels and plastic to be able to get them out within 24 hours and keep going. So that was 4 days there, and now I'm moving on to the next one. I'll let those, oh, by the way, I'll let those cure for probably several days before I take the grinder to them and polish them up and smooth them out, and then stain them and seal them, and then I can finish that other table. But while that's curing, moving on to this another project, and you can see I've cut the form, and I need to readjust that. Why does that keep sliding? It's not going to be good. Quick figure that out. This is probably going to set up over here at some point. Anyway, it's a little difficult here trying to do this with the camera. What this is this is a form. It's a block. I got weight on it because I got Gorilla Glue gluing those two pieces together to create the form that will be, that matches this box. It matches this Ethanol Fireplace inset. So that is going to substitute for that in the middle of this form. And I'll glue that with some silicone down to the form where I want it in the center, and then that will represent that. And it actually represents, that's gonna, that pink represents this Ethanol Fireplace, and you can see on the, and it also will represent a 1/2 inch fire block that goes around, and there's the fire brick. Now those will be cut. I had those already, so these are real lightweight and soft, pumice. So I'll cut these down and trim these to the proper size I want to encapsulate underneath this lip here all the way around, and one on the bottom. That'll be a 1/2 inch on the bottom. So all the way around that, and then that inset will fit down into the table, and it's all done. And it burns off of clear ethanol fuel, and it's an indoor-outdoor fireplace, so you don't need venting or anything like that. You just have to be careful not to put your hand in it or touch that metal when it's burning, because it'll be hot. So anyway, that's kind of the next project. And what I'm thinking about with this one too is, that thing's shifting on me again. Let's see. Anyway, I have a bag of river rock right here. I was thinking about maybe taking a tile saw, taking some of those to the tile saw, flattening them out, and doing a little hearth around the ethanol fireplace. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm not quite sure about the design on that yet, but I know the size and what I'm doing that way. So it's kind of where I'm at on that. So give you an update, probably next week or so. Talk to you later. Bye.